Have you ever pondered the enormity of humanity's achievement in the Apollo missions? Is it possible that humans really did land on the moon, or could it all have been an elaborate hoax? Today, we delve into the evidence that supports the authenticity of these incredible journeys. Firstly, consider the photos and videos from the Apollo missions. They show consistent lighting, shadows, and perspectives that would have been extremely challenging, if not impossible, to replicate on Earth. The shadows in these images are parallel, suggesting a single light source, the sun, just as one would expect in a vacuum environment like the moon. Then, there are the moon rocks. The Apollo missions brought back hundreds of pounds of these, which scientists around the globe have extensively studied. The composition and features of these rocks, including their unique isotopic signatures, align with lunar origin and could not have been fabricated on Earth. But it does not stop there. The Apollo missions were tracked by multiple independent observatories and space agencies worldwide. Radio signals transmitted from the moon were received by stations in Australia, Spain, and the United States, among others, providing real-time confirmation of the astronauts' journey. Beyond the physical evidence, we also have testimonies and documentation. Thousands of individuals were involved in the Apollo program, including astronauts, engineers, scientists, and support staff. Their testimonies, coupled with a vast paper trail of documentation, mission plans, and technical reports, offer further evidence of the mission's authenticity. Finally, consider motive. Those who argue for conspiracy theories often fail to provide a convincing reason why NASA would fake the moon landings. The Apollo program was a highly visible and prestigious endeavor. It involved significant risks and expenses. Faking the landings would have required a complex conspiracy involving thousands of people, with no clear benefit that could outweigh the risks of exposure. In conclusion, the authenticity of the Apollo missions is supported by a wealth of evidence. The consistent lighting, shadows, and perspectives in the photos and videos, the moon rock's unique characteristics, the independent verification by global observatories, the testimonies and documentation from those involved, and the lack of a convincing motive for a hoax. These factors combine to form a compelling case for the reality of humanity's lunar adventure. Indeed, the Apollo missions stand as testaments to humankind's capacity for exploration, discovery, and achievement.